Hi there. So today I just want to have you for a quick second to show you how to finish off your hoops at the back, make them look really neat. So I've got my finished embroidery piece and I want to cut the fabric all the way around the circumference of the hoop, about 1 inch or 1.5 inches away, all the way around. Kind of looks like a jam jar topping. Now I've got some scrap thread that I'm going to be using to gather so it all kind of congregates at the back so you can't see it. So just passing my needle through with a knot, and I'm just going to start coming in and out of the fabric, making long running stitches all the way around the circumference. I've got to the end now. Pull at this and gather it all up. Okay, cool. And I'm just going to tie a quick knot. This looks quite presentable. You could leave it like this, but we can also hide the inside. So I'm taking some felt, lay down my embroidery hoop. I'm just going to take this air erasing pen, and you can use any pen, but I had this lying around. But I'm just going to make small little dots all the way around it so I can get the basic shape. Cut that out. Now we want to just kind of trim a sliver off of this. Mark a point, and I'm going to start snipping from here, just a little sliver so it doesn't poke out from the front of the hoop. And I'm going to stop snipping when I get to that point. And now we just want to attach this to the back of the hoop. Connect the felt to the edge of the fabric in the embroidery hoop. So I think this is a whip stitch, I'm not sure, but what I do is basically pass my needle through the edge here with a knot, and then I'm going through the felt about 1 centimeter or so away from the edge, just like this. Go horizontally, catch the fabric from the hoop, and then vertically through the felt. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time explaining this, but I hope you get the idea. So we've got 3 stitches there. We're going to keep going. It looks homemade, but in a really sweet way. I enjoy this process a lot. It kind of looks like a cookie or something. I'm just going to keep going, keep stitching, and I'm going to be stitching all the way around. It could take some time, but it's really worth it in the end. All these little details really add to your finished piece, I think. So boom! The power of editing has given us a finished backed hoop. I've just knotted at the end, and the last thing to do is just pass our needle through the back and then through the felt, so we just hide the end. Look how nice this looks. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something. Yeah, thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you again very soon. Okay, bye bye.